Hello friends, welcome to C Sharp Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now you are watching part 2 of the video C NotifyIcon Control. So in this example we will learn about the different parts of the example and what it will do. So in the previous video we learned about the basics of the system tray and how system tray is achieved using the NotifyIcon control in C Sharp. So this is the example we will create, and if you see there are only two user navigable element. This one is a label, and here we have one more label. This is a button, and in the right side of the button we will have a label, and that will display running timing content. So here enter number of seconds. Suppose say for example if a user enters 20 here, they specify 20 seconds. Then they can click on this track elapsed button. So the moment they click, the application will run a timer and the seconds will get tracked. So here in the label we will display 19, 18, 17, likewise. So this is the place there we will show the running timer count in the reverse order. So once it reaches, the timer will get stopped. So that's one part. Then here when user clicks this close button, the application will not close. Instead it will stay in the background. So if you see here, when user clicks this close button, instead of closing the application we will hide that, and instead we will instead of closing it we will show a icon in the system tray. So when your system does not have much system tray icon, the icon will get displayed here in the tray itself. But if the tray place is already occupied by many icons, then you have to click this arrow button and it will show the list of icon. Here if you see we have 5 icon, and this one is the well-known icon, OneNote, Microsoft OneNote icon, and this one is for the Bluetooth. Likewise we will get an icon for our application as well. So the form will be hidden once you click close, but it will be running in the background and you will see a icon here. So when you right click this icon, you will see a menu, context menu, which contains 2 menu entries. So when you click here, the form will close and application will exit. So that's the way we have to exit. So when you click this close button, the application will not close, it will go and stay as a system tray icon. You can right click this system tray icon, and from the displayed context menu you can click exit, so that will exit the application. Or remember, when this icon is displayed, the form will not be displayed, it will be in the hidden state. So once you click remaining second, it will open this open this form. That means the form will made visible from hidden to we will restore it to the visible state. And when the timer is running, it will show the current count. Say for example if it is at the 9th second, you will see 9 here. Alright, that's one thing. Now let's assume that the user entered 20, they clicked on track seconds elapsed. That should be yes here, that's okay. Track seconds elapsed, and let's say the user closed this, then it will stay here as icon, and user is typing something in the notepad. Let's assume like that. When timer elapses and when it reaches to 0, 19, 18, 17, likewise it will go, right? When the 20 seconds are elapsed, we will get a notification like this. It states that elapsed, that's the title, then it states time elapsed, check the form. So this will be useful when you are running a long running task, and after running the long running task, say user is finding some text in a .txt file on a particular folder and subfolder. So it may take some time, so they may close and iconify it, and they can perform with the operation. So once the search is completed, the notification will be displayed like this. So here we are not doing any long running task, instead we are mimicking it with the timer, and once the timer is elapsed, you can assume that it's a long running task that got ended, and it will display a notification balloon tooltip like this. So you can see the icon for the notification. Then this is the warning error or a different kind of notify icon image that we can display. When we are proceeding with the example, you can see how we are setting this. Then we can set all this, the title as well as the actual notification message. So that's all here we will do. There is a example. When we click close, it will not close, it will stay. And here we have to implement the context menu, and then we have to implement the timer, and when timer elapses, we have to display this balloon tooltip. So all those stuff we are going to do in this example. Now let us look at some of the basic controls in the form. So here is our form design, and you can see we have a label, and we are accepting the default name, label 2. There is one more label, label 3. This is our text box, and we are naming it as txt seconds. Then we have a button, btn monitor. So on the text we are setting it as a track seconds elapsed. Then we have a label also. And the label name is LBL elapsed, and for color we set it as sandy brown, back color is navy. So that's all about the form design, and we will learn about this stuff when we move to the next part of the video. So these are all the basic control at this moment. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.